It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fucking hard because you're wrestling yourself. But once you finally get past yourself and get out of your own fucking way, then you'll really start to learn. And you'll see that you've made it much more harder than it needs to be. Because it's all basically psychological. You're afraid of losing money. You're afraid of being wrong. You're afraid of failing. You're afraid of your fucking spouse or your coworkers or your family members, your friends to say, I told you it wasn't going to work. It's all a pipe dream. And some of you deep down inside, listen, folks, listen. It's going to get so hard that you're going to actually create the environment for that to happen. So that way it's ending all the pain. That short little momentary embarrassment around your family and friends, your coworkers. Yeah, I lost my fucking money. You're right. It's fucking bullshit. Nobody's making money. It's all fucking fraud. It's a scam. It's all horseshit. Because you don't want to endure. Because it's hard wrestling with that feeling of, what would they think of me if I fail? Fuck that. Why are you even entertaining that shit? Listen, failure is a fucking choice. That's not a guarantee. Failure is a fucking choice. Setbacks, speed bumps, adversities, that's all part of this. Like anything else. Anything worth doing is going to be fucking hard. It's going to cost money. It's going to cost time. It's going to cause you to have to put more effort into this than anything you've ever done. Weak people don't survive in this industry. Unorganized, undisciplined, irresponsible motherfuckers do not stay in this business. You have to be an adult that is an independent thinker that understands there's real risk in this shit. You could lose your ass. And when you have this skill set, you're going to feel exactly what I feel. And some of you that are weaker and younger, you're going to do the same shit I did when I was 20-some years old. I was the biggest dick, the biggest prick there ever was. And you can hear it sometimes. It's still in me. That young man still likes to raise his head up once in a while. But the old man in me just has to remind his ass, sit the hell down. But that humanity in me is still there. But you're going to feel what it feels like to know what you know. And nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can make you forget about it. They can't discount it. They can't say it doesn't work. Who gives a fuck how many people are going to doubt you? Listen, you start making $50,000 a fucking month. How many people will it take for you to be convinced that what you're doing is bullshit? How many people will it take for you to be convinced that you making over 6 figures every 6 fucking months consistently? How many people will it take for them to convince you that what you're doing is a waste of your fucking time? How many people does it take you to do that? There ain't enough. There ain't enough. And you're going to understand you're bulletproof. Who gives a fuck who likes you and doesn't like you? Who cares? Is it going to change how you sleep, where you sleep, how you eat, how you raise your children? No. What you do with your money is your fucking business. You don't owe anybody an explanation what the fuck you're going to do with your money. None. But they're all going to tell you what you should be doing with it, what you shouldn't have done with it. So don't even invite them into the conversation. You got to keep those types of people, which is the public, the social media fucking clowns. They're all going to pretend they know something better, and they ain't bringing shit to the discussion. To let them influence anything in your development is stupid. You are learning how to master money, not be a slave to it. And in the beginning, any small victory is what you feel like you need to keep pressing forward. And some of you, unfortunately, want to do that prematurely with trades. I just need that little affirmation, that little nudge. This is going to work for me. I know he said don't push a button. I know he said don't trade, but I have to. Michael, if you could just feel what it feels like to be inside this skin of mine. I got to wake up every day and do this dumb shit and make no money. I'm in a country that doesn't make any fucking money, and I'm in an impoverished nation. I didn't have a father. I didn't have a mother. I can't get a job with my my college degree. I dropped out of college. I couldn't afford it. My mom and dad don't do this for me. Look, listen. All that stuff may be true. I had everything stacked against me. Everything. I had no pedigree that had money before me. I had no advantages where people could help me get into certain things, fall into certain, perfect scenarios for jobs. I didn't have any of those advantages. I didn't have this, where somebody's whipping my ass into shape when I'm doing stupid shit. Get me back on the rails. Keep me focused. Let me tell you something. My feelings would not have been fucking hurt because this is exactly how my grandfather talked to me. And I miss it. I wish I could hear that Navy man whip my ass and get your head in the fucking game. Focus on this. What are you looking at that shit for? This is what you're supposed to be focusing on right now. Yes, sir. I didn't have that when he passed away. He didn't see me do this. You have someone in me that proves that we can do this consistently. I'm teaching you how to do it. I'm giving you a mindset, a way of thinking about it, how to conquer your demons, wrestle with them, pin them, beat their fucking ass. But you have to show up and do everything I tell you to do. And everything I tell you not to do, you need to keep it away.
Yo, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday, chat. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome in. Hit the like button on your way in. Say what's up in the chat. Don't be shy. And let's get rocking and rolling. Good morning, Ed. What's up, PJ? Good morning, Hindsight King. Sempi, good morning. Dominic, good morning. Good morning, Nika, Insider Trader. Good morning, Rao. Good morning, chat. Where's everybody at? Hey, where's everybody? Hang on, I know what everybody needs. There they are. What's up, Big Head Reef? I can't trade. Good to see you, man. Good morning, Michael. The captain, good morning. 9:30 open on Tuesday. Yeah, we're on our way. Nika, we're on our way. Everybody calm down. What's up, Khalifa? Kalilua? Good morning, man. What's up, Gecko? Cayman, good morning. Marco, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Looks like you guys can hear me all right. Let me turn the background music down, and we'll dive on in, chat. All right, man. Thursday today, day prior to NFP. We did have unemployment this morning. We don't have anything else at 10 today. So, yeah, day before NFP today. And, yeah, we are starting to get this sell-off. Pretty ironic, pretty hilarious, I would say, that we did not take out that 30,094 buy side level. We had all of these stacked equal highs on the 4-hour, and then we just ended up generating more buy side liquidity for later, and now we're seeing this market start to sell back off toward discount of the range from this week so far, and then we'll see if we find any support in here at all. But yeah, obviously inside of a daily gap right now. As well as obviously this is all just imbalance that was left behind on like the 4-hour, hourly time frame, etc. So looking pretty bearish at the moment. Got market open here in 1 minute. So far today, it's really just been like Asia. We got a little bit of a push up, and then New York midnight rolls around and we start to sell back off. So it's been pretty much just downside offered so far today. So we'll see how far this maybe wants to push or not. Like I said, we're coming into discount of this range. Discount of this range is like right below the Tuesday opening range low, basically. So 50% of this range is like 29,190s. If we do want to see an actual rebalance here, which we are getting very close to doing. So very much on the table. I would say, man. All right, we got our market open here in 5 seconds, so let's watch this here. Let me get to my opening bell here. There we go. All right. Game on, chat. Game on. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. Sorry you're late. Hey, I think you were on time, Michael. I think you were on time. I'm not going to lie, unless you missed the ICT speeches. Can't miss those. Can't miss those. Can't believe you guys. I can't believe some people don't like those. Can you guys believe that? Can you guys believe that? What is up with that? I was taking a piss when my headset was on, and I got jumbo scared by the horn. Aha. See, that's what I'm saying. It worked. It worked. What's up, Royland? Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Roger. Good morning, guys. What's the poll got today? 60. Ooh, wow. 62% of the chat is bullish today. A little tilted for upside, huh? A little tilted for upside, huh? Yeah, we'll see, guys. See if we get a bounce side or not. I mean, I think that would make the most sense is to find some sort of a bounce in here. If we get back down to discount, you know, even better. But that is kind of the thought. But we have definitely more room to the downside to go for sure. So we'll see what it wants to do. See what it wants to do. See what kind of action we get here at the day before NFP. A lot of low resistant trendline liquidity right here as well for whenever we do start that pushback higher. We just traded up here at the open into a 15-minute. 15-minute gap there. Let's go down to the 1. It's already starting to go. Let me mark out the... I'm going to go ahead and just mark out this order block here on the hourly. But then I also just want to drop a level at equilibrium. Just so we have it. Dang. We dumping. We dumping, boys. What is that level there? Do you guys ever mark things out on your chart and then like 3 days later you're like, hang on, what was that from? That's a daily? Oh, all day. Oh, my bad. I got you. Sweet. All right, man. Getting this dump here now. 15-minute. Damn, dude. Literally 15-minute fair value gap tap and just. Sheesh. Humana. Yeah, it might be down first, and then we get the move up, yeah. Get us that discount, and then let's see if we can catch a reversal. I'm with that. What's up, Jonesy? Jan Bana, good morning. What's up, Pine Looms? Morning, everybody. Morning. Mark out every day from 0. I delete. Yeah. I do the same thing on like on this chart that you guys see, but on the like on my other monitor, it's a whole different layout. So I'll like leave markups on that one, and then so sometimes I'll have markups that I'm trading into on this other monitor that I don't have marked out here, and I have to like refresh my memory sometimes. But what's up, Mamba? Tape reading until NFP tomorrow. I tend to lose every Thursday before NFP. Uh-oh. Well, W discipline Z trades. W discipline and W data. I used to just take off the day before NFP. But if it's bad action, I just try not to take anything. Do the glasses you have protect your eyes from light or something? The blue light glasses? These ones? Yeah. Well, like, in order for the stream quality to be good, it helps when I like shut the blinds, get all the lights off, right? So, you know, with no like natural light coming in, and then I'm like staring at a white chart, It eases the strain a little bit, but they do come in handy. They're bad luck, though, when I wear them for some reason. Holy, pump back up. We didn't even quite tap that OB. Well, I guess we tapped the wick here. Holy V-shape. It's the 5-minute look like. Oh, my God. 5:15. We're moving, chat. Oh my gosh. We moving, we moving. What the? Abdullah Baba, good morning, man. My Ethiopian brother. Not Indian. I like tape reading to make myself feel good for not taking anything. Yeah, fair enough. Dr. Phil and go all in. Yeah, quick bounce here. V-shape recovery, immediate change in the state on the 1 minute and inversion. It's still early. It's like 9:37, but yeah, I mean, we're trading back above this 15 with a lot of displacement here. Gonna mark out Asia and London. Oops. Where's our London? Right at midnight. Nice. All right, $1 million question now is, do we get a pullback or? Holy fuck. What's up, Raikor? Good morning, man. All right, well, let's see if we can get something here. First 15 will close as well in 7 minutes, and then, you know, probably going to get this 15-minute inversion. I don't know if we get this, actually. Grim Reaper, good morning. Oh, you caught the inversion, Raghur? Yeah. It's quite the jump there. What was the move up from that? 100 points. We'll see. I think I'm going to wait for this 15-minute close. Want to make sure that we inverse here, and then obviously going to try to find some continuation entry to these levels. And then obviously if we don't get that inversion on the 15, then we're probably waiting and maybe looking for another leg lower. I mean, as far as like inefficiencies up here on the, I mean, we have like a little 4-hour up there, but we're not even really like leaving behind that much on the upside. Other than all the buy side way up here. So, all right, guys, 5 minutes here until this first 15-minute candle closes for the morning session here. Yeah, a lot of low resistant highs up here, both on ES and NQ. It'd be nice if we could come sweep this low out and get back down into here a little bit. So hopefully it doesn't just like skyrocket, but. Over $100 billion in SpaceX shares officially unlocked for trading. Yeah, like what would it be? What would this look like? Fuck. It's volatile today, chat. She's volatile. Watch your size today. First 15-minute candle is going to close here in less than 2 minutes. Kind of, I mean, we're finding some support here on this order block. Going to be kind of looking for open high low close here. Open low high close PO3 on this next 15. I'd really like a deeper retrace on that. Would really like a deeper retrace, to be honest. New 15. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to find like where I want to try to get in this, but without chasing it too hard. But yeah, here's our 15 right now. So we got the change in the state on the 15 now as well. Love to see a wick down into this, right? Ideally. The plan goes is I'm trying to find a long here. Yeah, we got a nice bounce. We did not. We're waiting to see if we wanted to get this 29,000, like 193-ish level. It's discount of the range. So we ended up turning around just shy of that. Obviously very clean, like V-shape inversion, CISD on the 1 minute, etc. Some people took that, and they're floating in some nice profits here. Probably praying that there is no such thing as a pullback. But yeah, I want to try to catch these longs into these highs, and fuck. I guess a little too slow to the trigger right now. Oh. She's fucking moving, boys. She's moving, boys. Fuck. It's a day for nanos, so yeah. We don't got nanos yet, do we? On the on like props. Are nanos live officially? Has anybody traded with a nano yet? I haven't seen anybody posting about trading with nanos yet. All right. Well, staying patient, obviously trying not to chase it, but boy, she's moving pretty quick. Like no pullbacks, no retracements, like potentially the easiest entry and hold some of you guys are going to have all week. I'm jealous. It's what you do with it that counts, Scott. That's true. Yeah, it's not the size that matters, it's how you use it, right? That's what they say. Surely macro has something for us, right? Well, bruh, like, this is moving with a lot of ease right now. Macro could be the, like, final volatility to get us above here. There's your, what is it? Institutional order flow entry drill. Tafsy, you remind me of the same type of person that if I would have entered, you would have said FOMO at the exact same time. So you're going in timeout. We'll give you 24 hours. Just pass another 50K eval, but also burn one on a 50 micro. W pass, I guess. In the macro now. Under the wick. This is a hourly order block. I also had it marked on just the body originally, but it didn't quite touch the body of this candle. It just touched the wick here. But yeah, order block and gap fill. But yeah, the real reason that I wasn't ready to long just yet is because I kind of thought we might see this equilibrium level. The premium discount range for this week from the current low of week to current high of week right there. We're nowhere near that on ES. ES has not pulled back. Yeah, hasn't pulled back as far. Yeah, bro, that might be the fucking cleanest run of all time. Had a long from the start and stop loss under that wick. And I chickened out, terminated long before it retraced. Wait, what? You had a long from the start and stop loss under that wick? And I chickened out, terminated long before it retraced. Where was your entry? Just off like this 1 minute inversion? I mean, really like that's, if you entered, it's just like, it was like instant profit and like very little headache. Oh, you just went long at 9:30? Oh, so you were sitting in this drawdown. And you had a stop loss down here? So that's probably why you terminated it. You were seeing this like sell off so aggressively against you. Right, I can't trade market. I can't trade like right at the open. I can trade like a few minutes, 5 minutes after the open sometimes, but it's kind of have to like, it has to hit like every level that I am waiting for it to touch. Otherwise, I just prefer to stay patient. You know, it has to literally like, there's got to be no more reason for it to go any lower or any higher if I'm going to trade like that early into the open. To me, there was still some reason we could go a little lower. But obviously, clean setup there. What's up, crypto server? So, I mean, all right, we got Asia and London highs like right up here, 581, 621. Very clean LRL on both ES and NQ. So, yeah, we're kind of hoping that we can get like some sort of like retrace here. Obviously, we didn't come back to 50% here. So just like extending this up, I mean, that seems like pretty aggressive, but never say never. Yeah, I don't know if we get that. I don't know if we get that. A little 5 minute FEG there. This is so aggressive, though. The shaded, which shaded box? This one or this one? You want continuation down, Surfer? Yeah, I would say after like these levels, maybe it could be possible. We'll see though. Ah. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Lower. 1 hour order block. And gap fill. Kind of a bitch though, dude. I was kind of hoping we'd hit this equilibrium. That's like a little annoying. maybe this is gonna be just one giant ass inducement. We're gonna just sell all the way fucking back off, and we're gonna be like sitting here with our dick in our hands. Is that possible, chat? Is this possible? Or am I being too blindsided to the long right now? You think I measured a little too far, Ed? You think so? I just used the whole weekly range. I just did from the current low of week to current high of week. I think I measured it fine. It's all good. If you've learned something about the markets, it's that anything is possible. So maybe it isn't just. See, now that's an honest answer. All right, guys. Hourly and 4 hour close in un minuto. Yeah. Your EQ is right. ES is just fucking with the retraces where it's all-time highs. Yeah, ES is not retracing like very much at all. ES is holding a lot of strength, but I mean, it makes more sense. Like obviously the tech index is going to have a little bit more play, if you will. Chase, says Andrew. I know I'm trying to chase it up here, but I'm trying to be smart about it, right? Like I need to. It's not in me to just like long the. I'm not an institutional order flow entry drill trader. That's just not me. I don't do that shit, really. I do like institutional order flow entry drill, order block confirmation. I take that. And then I have like a cheap defined stop. I don't know. I guess the bottom line is like, what would I rather do? Take a trade and lose? You know, would I be more mad about that? Or would I be more mad about like not entering and then it goes the rest of the way to these TPs? Yeah, it's probably. I don't know. Sometimes you miss moves, man, I guess. I don't like the 10 a.m. just opened up and took the high out. But we still left these levels intact. Seems like a manipulation leg to go lower. That's what I mean, RB. I do wonder if just due to the fact that we didn't get to equilibrium yet, if that could be the case. Obviously, anything's possible, but like you look at this rejection on the 4 hour, we closed basically right at. I mean, look at that fucking 4 hour candle. What the fuck? Hammer of the year or what? And you know, given this 1 hour, I think we still have room to come to these short-term levels, but like we said, man, anything's possible. We got a 15-minute gap down here. Delete that for now. Yeah, man, I'd be content. Like, I'd be content if we could get like this 15-minute, right? And then get a confirmation out of that. Sweep down. Fucker. Sweep down. Take out the 15-minute, right? Give us something. Terrible drawing, but you guys get the point. But maybe we won't. Maybe we'll see these highs and then we'll have to readjust, but oops. Yeah, I know. I got ES and NQ pulled up here. It's literally like so clean. I know. It's probably why we're not getting much of like a retrace yet. It's just that's kind of like the only downside of like when you have like that low resistant run. It's you don't really get them too often, like big, like deep, like discount retracements. And we just like go run these highs. But we'll see. It'd be nice to get this. This would be. I'd be confident with that. 5 minute. Kind of chopping up here. The one other contrary like view to this on the hourly, in terms of like maybe supporting this premium discount pullback, would be the fact that 50% lines up perfect with the hourly rejection block. You're pissed? Why are you pissed? There's a 63% chance, says Midnight, that it won't reverse and that the low at 933 will be the low of the cash session. Yeah, right now I'm leaning that this will be the low of AM. As well, but had a buy limit 238. Oh fuck. Damn. 238. Was that the body of the order block? Or was that... That's where I had it marked. Fuck. That's where I had it marked originally. Pretty much. Yeah, you had it like a point above. Oh my god, ES looks awful. Dang, man. If you don't mind me asking, Mr. I get up too early, you said your limit was there at that order block level. Was your stop loss just on the other side of that 1 hour? Or where'd you put your stop with that? I mean, valid order block here, right? Just a couple things. Number one, we do tap into the gap below it before creating this displacement leg up, but this order block sponsors the displacement leg, right? So That's also why this is a valid OB. Crazy. Yeah, I had it marked like this, though. What a tease, bro. Hey, when they say size doesn't matter, just show them this little wick right here. Just show them this little wick and say, oh, does it really not matter? I think it does. I think size does matter. Game of ticks. Literally. $30. Do you just use like an arbitrary, like you just go 30 points just always, or I don't know how many points this order block was. Probably more than 30 though. Pretty close. 30. If you include the wicks, it's like 45. But either way, I mean, you wouldn't want to see like too much past like 50% probably. But yeah, it's just tough with this equilibrium level right here. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Sick. New day opening gap here as well. I don't like this. Just a wick on the 5. Into that rejection block. I'm asking myself if I care to do something like this. I'd probably go stop like right here, just below this candle. The OB's technically right here. Not bad. Just tab midnight, tab London. Don't know if anyone remembers a week or two ago, ICT was talking about the negative 5.5 of the 7 to 9 a.m. range. It was the low of day again today. Of the 7 to 9 a.m. range. I got to decide if I want to take this or not if it comes back to this FEG and OB. If it comes back, that is. You don't think it's coming back? Yeah, well. Makes my decision easy then, I guess. Low resistant run, dude. Low resistant run. So yeah, I guess W, you guys, if anybody caught it, I mean, literally, bro, first inversion, first CISD on the 1 minute, like, knock your socks off. Literally, you would have just been like the best entry. So I'm sure it's a mixed bag. I'm sure some people were waiting, and I'm sure some people just sniped that. And the ones that sniped it got away with it today. But, I mean, it did give, like, what we wanted to see, just not quite the dig that I thought maybe could happen. Wanted to see a push down. We knew that, I mean, we're literally, the first thing we're talking about was all these highs being left here. Trading is hard. Nika, don't tell me you didn't snipe that. I know you did. She probably sniped it right here. As soon as this candle closed green, I know Nika was in slapping longs. Nika, don't lie. Don't cap. I don't wait. I take the shot. Sometimes good and sometimes meh. But Kobe. Yeah, true. All right. Well, that's a wait. I mean, it's waiting now. So, but yeah, I mean, W longs. W longs, man. Where did that first 15 close? Like, right. Because you remember I was waiting on that as well. Oh, well. You said on TikTok Live that you wanted to go long at 10 a.m. Right here. Well, we're longing. Well, we're longing. Question is, where's the... I could say, like, obviously we're looking, like, internally for potential draws, but the reality is, like, the draw could be all the way back up here at 94. All right, we left all of that buy side over here. So, you know, that more than likely probably is the draw. I mean, we do have 4-hour order block, 4-hour fair value gap here, and a little one right here. It's like internally, you got a couple levels to work off of if this wants to continue higher. You know, but if we're entering a buy model now, then like ultimately we're probably headed up to 94. So these are just 4-hour highs. And FEGs. Slowing a little bit here before Asia. Little tease, perhaps. Left a 3 behind, left a 5 behind. Watching you miss the long two kind of comforts you. That's good. That's good. Contains nuts. Listen, if I wasn't live streaming and I was trying to sell a course, here's what I would do. Here's what I would do. You ready for this, chat? Here's what I would do. I would mark this out like this. Right? Annotate it nice. I'd annotate it real nice. And then I would just like pretend that I entered right there. And then wherever this tops out at, I'd pretend that was my TP. And I'd post it on Twitter and I'd say, look how good at trading I am. Like, just to show you guys how, like, bro, let me show you guys this. So yesterday I posted about the idea because yesterday as well, if you guys remember, I canceled the trade. Didn't end up taking anything yesterday, but this was my idea from yesterday. Right? No executions, right? Just long or short tool. Pretty standard. But I even said I canceled the idea when 10 a.m. opened with no upper wick. I attempted to join the trade later. Wasn't triggered on the sell limit, unfortunately. So, like, I'm saying that I didn't take the trade. Damn, bro. What a nice entry. Nice entry. Dude, you suck at trading. So, like, some people don't even, like, I think they just see the chart, the long or short tool, and they're just like, damn, buddy's goated. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get, like, right now on stream, I'm showing the fact that my P&L is completely flat. If I leave this long tool on here, people will show up to the stream and be like, damn, bro, nice trade. Like, all you need in the big 2026 to fool people is a long or short tool. Kind of sad. Thank you, Absolute Go. Hey, Mr. Thank you, guys. WWW. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Spam W's in the chat. Spam W's in the chat. Everybody just got paid. Let's fucking go. W's. Yes. Fucking team eating over here. Join up. Tap in. So sick, dude. Chick's gonna dig that. Chicks are gonna fucking dig that, bro. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. Oh man. But oh yeah, for those of you guys that did actually take the trade, W. Congrats. I know, Dom. I know. Mickey D's been calling. They got the contract ready. Just made $6 billion. That's it. All right. Well, boys, now we're just kind of, I mean, well, I guess if you caught the long there, your day's done. We're trying to decide how much more meat is left on this bone. But, bro, I mean, for day before NFP, you shitting me? Like, holy cow. Nice entry, bro. Why'd you take it? Thank you, Insider Trader. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm glad you asked. Insider Trader, what's funny, man, is my original limit was literally right here. It would have had like no drawdown, but then I realized that I wasn't logged into my accounts. So then I had to log in real quick. So then I just took this instead. You know, it is what it is. You know, I didn't get all of it, but I caught some of it. So I guess it is what it is, right? Like, instead of making 40 billion, I only made 30 billion. So might have to wait until next trade to get my Bugatti. So, but like W, right? Nico wants shorts now. I don't know about that. These hourly candles have got me. My confidence has increased. Let me put it that way. My confidence has increased. Where's 50% of this range just for shits and giggles? Are you fucking me? We're actually right there already. Already at 50% back. So we got a 4-hour and 6-hour high and a gap here. Ain't it funny? We're just trying to decide what the draw is. If the draw is up here, like, we'd be retarded to look for shorts. Type shit. So for now, let's follow the order flow. Let's follow the order flow. What's getting disrespected? What's getting respected, right? Let's scale up a little bit. Let's go. Let's get off the 1 minute. Let's get off the 1 minute. There's nothing there for us anymore. We're just like never gonna print a down close candle again. Funny enough, on the 5 minute, is this our 5 minute open? Brother, literally on the 5 minute chart, these are our only 2 down close candles so far. Since market open. You know how nasty it would be for them to come back down and sweep the low one more time before pumping NFP? Yes. You've created a script on TradingView that lets you see real-time probabilities in real time. It also marks orb key levels. Could you try one of these days, Tyler? Do you have it for sale midnight? Speaking of, I have this dude that it's the same guy that made like PJ Trades as indicator for him, but he's literally blowing up my Discord and Instagram DMs like almost every single day, begging to like have him create an indicator for me. It's the Wild West out here, chat. It's the Wild West out here. Indicators take 5 minutes to make. Do they really? I have a different guy that I know that at one point in time, he was like trying to start like a trading. He trades much. He doesn't trade ICT concepts and he trades gold, but he paid some guy to make him like a custom indicator. It was like supply and demand plus fib retracements basically is kind of his strategy. But yeah, he paid some guy from like California, I think like $1,000 or like $1,200 to make it. Pay for 1 month of Codex and it will program any indicator you want. Pay for 1 month of Codex and it will program any indicator you want. Is that so? You lost your account today, Money Glitch, with $47 to pass? Fuck, bro. Oh. Money Glitch, this isn't going to make you feel any better, but I just want you to know I've been there. I've been there. I've been there on funded accounts and on evals. You have a bot too. It'll go against midnight in Discord, and then who wins can affiliate it on the Discord. Can affiliate it on Discord. Y'all out here literally just scheming and selling shit, huh? Like, am I the only retard out here that has nothing for sale and I'm just streaming for free, praying that you guys use my code over whichever female trader you have a crush on? Like, y'all literally out here using like a female's code that you have that you just like are attracted to. Meanwhile, I'm out here trying to take the moral high ground by not selling anything. Meanwhile, I got people in my own chat trying to sell me shit in real time. I'm the fucking guru here, boys. I should be out here trying to scheme you boys. Meanwhile, I open my YouTube live stream chat and they're trying to scheme me, boys. What is this? I thought I turned the tables. Turns out the tables stay turned. What is fuck's going on here? Fuck. Man. Man. All right, chat, lock in. Higher or lower? Higher or lower post 10:30? What are we doing? Lock in. You don't see anyone in Discord post. If somebody was in the Discord posting signals, they'd be banned. Chop, dump it, chop, sideways, higher, lower. 4-hour high, says Mr. I get up too early. Oh, we're dumping pretty fast here. 10:30 incoming. Look at this 15-minute. Hello rejection block. Incoming. Yeah, I see ES shitting the bed as well, yeah. Bro, ES didn't even... Hang on. Did we get Asia high on ES? I can't even tell. I gotta zoom in to just see. Yeah, we did. The hourly chart on ES looks like garbage, bro. The hourly is disgusting, actually. All right, let's see what 50%. Where does 50% of this range put us? It puts us down in this unfilled 15, which is nice. All right, we just traded up into the rejection block on the 15. Three-minute FE Jizzle. Hang on. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet. I am titanium. You wouldn't let me post trades I'm planning to take in your Discord? Well, that's a little different intention there. I guess just like sharing your trades is a little bit different than like, hey, like you're trying to provide signals. You know what I'm saying? You know, if someone's innocently just sharing their trade ideas, I mean, I don't think that's a reason to ban them. It's obviously other people's choice if they fucking decide to take the same trade as you. Just like here on live stream. But like, yeah, if it was like clear that you were like trying to like offer signals, here's what happens, Cooner. What happens is people like go into free Discords, they try to provide signals, right? Hoping that they're gonna get a couple wins, and then what do? Can you guess? Can you guess what they try to do? Took the long on ES, but pulled it when NQ took the highs. Got a whole 4 ticks. Are you serious, Nemo? Yeah, ES is such a tight range. It's actually gnarly. ES is terrible. NQ is like got her legs spread right now. Sorry. Get them in their Discord and charge them. LMAO, exactly. Yeah. Exactly. But honestly, Nemo, yeah, W Nemo, I would say, because listen, I like doing the same thing. If the other asset takes my targets out, I mean, you're probably saving yourself. Like, look at this pullback on ES. So you probably saved yourself drawdown, right? I'm assuming. So that worked out. Message deleted by Streamlabs. I don't know why I deleted your message, Nemo. Posting links? Oh, weird. Oh, I think it registers Mr. I Get Up Too Early. I think it registers his name as a link because you were responding to him. He's got a dot in his name, so it like registers it as a link. That makes sense. Glad I did not jump on by NES. You sing so good that my grandpa in a coma woke up to mute the stream. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, L Gramps. Nika won't even say what her TikTok is? What? I'd buy your psychology course for like 20K. Genuinely never seen someone with better psychology, not gonna lie. I can't tell if that's trolling or not. He said, not gonna lie. That must mean he's, yeah, it must mean he's not trolling. I can never tell. I can never tell. Sometimes I take the chat serious and then they're just fucking with me, and then sometimes I think they're fucking with me and they're serious. What do I do? One trader Discord on YouTube asked me 5K for joining them. Bro, it is such a scummy space. It's so. But you know what's crazy though? At the same time, like this, it's still like rewarded, bro. It still gets rewarded. It's crazy. Like this sounds so bad, but I'm telling you guys, it's not rewarding to sit here and try to be like moral high ground in trading. Like if you're, you know, it's just not. It really isn't. It's not respected, other than by a few. And the people that get championed are like clearly like crossing the moral boundary, if you will. They're moving that ethical line, you might say. Kind of crazy, dude. But that's no excuse. That's no excuse. Because you know who is watching? Your Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. He's always watching. And you'll be judged on Judgment Day. Amen. Tyler, your psychology is good, but then you are human too. You do break your rules there and then and there. That is true. That is true. That is true. I think everybody breaks the rules sometimes. I don't know. It doesn't bother me to admit that sometimes I'm a ding dong. Like, I don't think it would do anybody any favors to me to like pretend that like I'm perfect. Listen, sometimes trading gets the better of you. It is what it is. You should remove the marking since you didn't take the trade. I was trying to prove a point with this marking. See what I mean? Vinar, why? How come because the long tool's on the chart? What makes you say that I took that? What makes you think, or why should see it? Like, people are already programmed to seem like I took this trade because it's on, like, the long tool's on my chart. See what I mean? You kind of just proved my point. I mean, there's no execution marks. My P&L is completely flat, which you guys can see. If you show up to the stream, you see a flat P&L in a long tool. And if you believed me, if I told you that I took this, I'd have to question your intelligence. I'd have no other option, right? I'd have to. Boys, do I slap this changing the state lower? Let's do like 3. Give me a little pop up into here. Let me snipe a short here. I'm being a dick for a tick. No. Fuck. God, bro. How come everybody else can be a dick for a tick, but when I try to when I try to be a dick for a tick, you do this shit. Gosh. Why you didn't take that juicy long? What do you mean? I got the long tool. Pretty sure that means I took it. All right, chat. I'm going short here on this fair value gap. I want 50%. I want at least like these equal lows, but yeah, let's see if we get 50%. Oh, fuck me. Don't you dare. There we go. Come on. Fill the order. There we go. There's the 3-minute also. I was going to maybe just slap it there, but all right, I'm in the short, guys. I'm going to try this down to, like I said, equilibrium of this range. Let's go stop at this high. Give that a whirl. Try that on for size. What's going on here? Oh, fuck off, bro. Why is that? How do I move that out of the way? Oh, I gotta send that to TradeSyncer. That can't be. It's like blocking part of my screen share there. Oh, shit. Playing Black Ops 6 while watching my stream? Nice, dude. I mean, here's our 5-minute. Gonna need this OB to hold for us. Yeah, he is a little bit weaker. What time is it? 44. So we're gonna do 15 here. There we go. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Flip this gap lower. New 15 just opened up. Oh, that is a 15-minute right there. Hang on, let me see. No, never mind. There we go. Die, bitch. I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go stop to this last high that we just put in. I don't think I'd want to see us go back to this high. I don't know if I'm gonna partial. I don't know. I mean, the risk reward at these equal lows. This is also a 15-minute gap, like literally right here. It's like a 1.35 R. 50% of this would be 1.8. I'd really love to get us to 50 and just get a full pull there, but I mean, I don't know if we like reject strong here, I maybe we'll see. I would like to get this though. I'd like to get just a flush. That'd be nice. We'll get a partial ready just in case, though. Who knows? We might see that lowest 15-minute gap from the 9:45 a.m. 15-minute candle. Candle low. What is this song? Yeah, macro incoming. Finesse longed yesterday. Oh. Yeah, no, this yellow shaded area, Ed, is the new day opening gap. Right here. Well, break even. I wanted to, we left behind these gaps here, this BPR. So I wanted to leave it open to allow it to pull back into that without getting trailed out, break even. And then if these can sponsor new lows, right, get below here and below previous hourly open, probably decent, or hourly open. Probably a good break even there because you won't want to see it get back above that, right? Do something to push it lower. Go long. If you want it to go lower, does that mean I should go long? Yeah, we'll see here, chat. We'll see. Kind of a scary candle here. For the moment. Gonna feel real good about this if we can get one more bearish OB to print right here. Should be good. Should be good, and then depending on how horny you are, maybe even add to it. Thank you. Glad to know. Glad to know. I'm glad to know that. Thank you, man. Yeah, I believe you, Cooner. We are the macro now. We'd like to see this pick up some volume here, hopefully in our direction. Like having a 10 a.m. hourly candle that closes back below this hourly low would be pretty nice, especially for any bears in the chat. Wow. Wow. That's not good. Well, damn. Yeah, I was going to be open to adding to it if we got this like bearish order block, but I just didn't want to add in here because I wanted to see this like hold first. Maybe we get lucky and it gives us another lower high, but that's pretty fucked. Still in it for now, boys. Oh, fuck. Got my hopes up for a second. I'm out. I'm out there, boys. I moved my stop down to this high, so reduce some of the risk there, probably 20 points or so. Yeah, 2068 down to like 644. Yeah. All right. Alrighty. Well, shit. Yeah, we were getting good rejection here, like off this 15-minute rejection block after taking Asia high. Obviously, continuing on down, like 5-minute OB was holding here till it wasn't. But ultimately, we trade down into this structure, find support. Also filled that 15-minute gap. Took out that 15-minute low there. Man, she's bullish, bruh. She's bullish, bruh. All that marking out for nothing. I don't know, man. I just don't know if I have it in me to long up here. I really don't. Still think it goes down if it reverses all the way to your TP giveaway. We might do a giveaway anyway. We should probably do a giveaway today, maybe, or two. We'll do some. We'll do it tomorrow as well. For Friday. But maybe we should today. I don't know what are the likes at. 77 likes. Ooh. 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 I mean, how do we have 400 people in here and like? Come on. Get the likes up, boys. Get the likes up, boys. Maybe we'll do a little giveaway today. Maybe we'll do one. Maybe we'll do two. We'll see. Depends how many likes we get. Don't like the chat, not the live reactions. The actual thumb. Hit the thumb. See this thing? Look for this. Should be down over there somewhere. The 77 loyals, the OGs. Yeah, there's a new high. So yeah, that hourly ultimately wanted to close strong. And basically institutional order flow entry drill off the very first 15-minute. Leaving these open. Was a 30-minute. Yeah, I was gonna say we didn't hit the 30-minute. Yeah, I don't know. I'm staking around just because. Let's see. It's 11 o'clock now. Oh man, I kind of feel like this short is gonna be incoming. I'm not gonna lie. Still feel like it's incoming. Anybody else feel that way, or is it just me? You agree with the 4-hour tap? Okay. Yeah. We're like literally right here. Unless we hit it. Do we hit it on NQ, do we? Do we hit it on E-mini? I don't think so. No. Yeah, I don't think. I mean, I don't think price action is bad. I don't think price action is bad. Just because you lose doesn't mean bad. The price action is bad, right? I think we're finding logic in all of these like moves. I guess, especially from here, it's just holding a lot of strength here. Price action on ES though. Now listen, if you want to see bad price action, buddies, look at ES. If you want to see decent price action, look at NQ. If you want to see bad price action, look at ES. ES is terrible. This is awful. That's bad. No bueno. Would not recommend. 0 out of 10. NQ. This is serviceable. This is serviceable. Buddy, if you're gonna, bro, you better not leave the freaking 4-hour gap, I swear. Like, it's just annoying at that point. Yeah, so I don't really have a whole lot of interest in like trying to like short this like here. Mainly because we didn't tag this. We're trading into a 5 and 3. So I think if anything, I would need to see us like form a bearish gap, trade up into it, give us an order block out of that, and then maybe short that if we're gonna not demand that this gets hit. Otherwise, I don't think I can touch this, to be honest. Yeah, I was gonna. You could say you have SMT at the highs, but you really have SMT like all over the place here. All right, let's see. So here's our 1 minute CISD that we did get before hitting that 4-hour, unfortunately. So like if this holds and then we get like another down close candle below here, I think may stab this short one more time. And if not, we get the push back up, then we're getting the push up, obviously, from the 3 minute here. And then do we hit the 5? We did not hit the 5. Look at this 5 minute candle, by the way. No lower wick at the moment. Oh, wait, we did. I can't tell. Did we touch it? Maybe, like, to a tick? All right, inversion here, so we'll see. Your TP is 679. Oh, literally that high. We'll see if it gets there, man. It's got a good shot still. Wouldn't like it's already kind of starting to give out this. This is just like potential idea, like if this then that. So obviously, if this again, what's respecting, what's disrespecting. Right now, what's holding is the bullish PD array. What's disrespecting is the bearish PD array. Therefore, you should not be shorting this. It was just if this were to happen, then you're starting to see the opposite happen, right? You're starting to see then the bullish PD array fail. You're starting to see the bearish PD array respect. At that point, you can justify the short then down to these lows. But without that, then you don't really have anything. And it's probably more likely that we get this. So... Oops. The fact that they're happening at market open, yeah, I mean, well, today, like we don't have any news, right? So it's day before NFP, no news. So like our volatility injection really is, I guess, that opening bell, but I would have been more likely to have taken this trade if I hadn't marked out my premium and discount, to be honest. I would have just been like, oh, fair value gap. Oh, maybe OB tap or whatever, and then fly. But because either way, like we were eyeing up all of this, all of these highs from overnight. But yeah, I guess that's kind of, you know, how trading can go sometimes, right? You don't catch the trade that you know, it's not like we didn't see this coming and like want to trade through these levels, London, Asia highs. But then it's like you didn't catch it, so now you feel like you got to stay on the chart. You got to keep trying to find an opportunity. So then what happens is you end up taking an opportunity that loses. So instead of being really green on the day, you're fucking red on the day. And then you got to have a good enough grip over yourself to not spiral and tilt and get all pissed off because of it and then make it worse. So yeah, I guess I mean it's 11:09 now, so we're coming to the end of the 11 o'clock macro. I mean, with hindsight now, we could say that our objective, you know, for the most part, probably just these overnight session highs. And once the objectives get taken, it's like market isn't required to do anything. You know, it can continue, it can reverse, it can chop around. Like once objectives are taken, it's kind of like either you caught it or you didn't, right? So it's kind of what this is looking like at this rate. I think if we were going to get, you know, I think a reversal here made sense just because we had a reason to pull back into the range, but can't be mad at it, man. I was willing to take that try, mitigated risk with a little bit of movement in our favor. Didn't want to go break even just yet because I wanted to allow this PD array a chance to continue supporting a lower move. But once we got this candle up, we pretty much knew it was probably donezo. But yeah, no reason to get pissy about it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see here. Feel the pain, adapt the pain, embrace the pain. There you go. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Did you get your TP there, Ed? I think you probably got your TP there, yeah? Unless you closed it early. Well, boys, what's the likes at? Did we get the likes up from the last time? Kind of, not really. You guys want to do a giveaway today or no? I mean, it's up to you. I mean, it don't matter to me. It don't matter. It don't really matter to me. I'm cool with whatever you guys are cool with. That's the thing. I'm a chill guy. I'm a chill guy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm chill if you guys are chill. And I'm down to freak if you guys are down to freak. You know what I'm saying? We got to get at least 150 likes. We got to get at least 150. It's got to be bare minimum, man. It's got to be bare minimum. No, we'll probably do a duck race tomorrow, London lad. Probably do a duck race tomorrow. We'd like to save the duck race a little bit, you know, bigger giveaways for the end of the week. If they did want a giveaway, they'd have liked the stream Cayman, the voice of reason. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying, dude. That's what I'm saying, bro. You are Elon Musk? What's up, Elon? What does SpaceX do today? Not jack shit. We'll move up. Now I'm moving back down. What the hell? SpaceX is dropped. What's NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA's actually red on the day. A little bit. Not by much, but... Microsoft's up 2, though. It's starting to pull back. How are we starting to get these retracements on these tech stocks? And NQ is just like, nah. NQ's like, nah. You've won 2 weeks in a row an account, but from only supporters giveaway. Am I getting timed out as well? I mean, you're at least getting timed out for at least a week, Dom, yeah. For at least a week, but I'd say after this week, you're green lighted again. All of your entries, Dom, they're still recorded. Don't worry. You don't lose them. They're not for nothing. I wouldn't do that to you, Dom. I wouldn't do that to you. The shorts? What about them? What about the shorts? Are you trying to tell me that they're still coming? That's why I'm trying to like stall a little bit. One, to like do a giveaway with you guys, but then two, yeah, I do kind of have a feeling that we might see this income shortly as well. So I'm trying to stay patient and not like end stream and then take a fucking trade right after stream ends. Would like to take it on stream. Yeah, YM is dying, by the way. YM is dying lower. ES looks like it wants to die lower here also. Although it's pretty choppy. So, all right, 15-minute just closed. We got another 15-minute rejection block off that 4-hour high. Oops. Run the likes up, guys. Hit the likes. 150 likes. We'll do a giveaway today. Deal? Deal or no deal? I'm half-ass tempted to just slap the short off this rejection block, but probably safe than sorry. Wait for confirmation. Although I say that and then watch me miss it. But yeah, the trade idea would look kind of like this, right? So stop at the high. Get some sort of displacement. Maybe it'll be here. Look for something like that. Where's our new 50%, by the way? Just for shits and giggles. We'll see. If it does trade to a new high here, I think I'm just gonna call it, and we'll do a giveaway and get the F out of here. Oh, fucking awful, Phil. All right, I'm in short one more time, chat. Honestly, dude, I'm gonna go stop here. I'm gonna try to get stingy with this stop because I got a bad fill, and I don't want to see it get above this OB anyway. In short one more time, guys. From 624, I'm going for these equal O's, which is also a 15-minute gap. Buddy, bro. Why not short ES? Well, I guess you could if you wanted, but we're kind of like already at the low on ES. $740 is the low on ES. All right, we did just take out the low of day on ES just now. So I'm wondering, I'm debating a break even already because of that, but I kind of would also hate to like get stop break even and then this like holds. Do I be a stubborn mule for my trade here? I think I might. There we go. I just wanted to see follow through, man. Thank you. Thank you. Don't fucking don't reject. Go down. No. As soon as I start celebrating, see what happens as soon as I open my mouth, the wick's all the way back up. I just gotta be quiet. We did get a nice 5-minute inversion there. For the plot? What? What for the plot? I think I might have missed one of your messages. Yeah, let's go monkey here. Let's pull out the monkey. Let's pull out monkey. Ah. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet. Don't be E for the plot. I know, I'm tired of being break-even king. It's getting to the point, boys and girls, where I'd rather just be stop-loss king than break-even king. Let's go break-even at this hourly rebalance. That's why I'm going to go break-even. Drone attack caused this. Well, send another one. Really clean structure on that too. Come on, monkey. Banana. Monkey, meet banana. Banana, meet monkey. Bring the monkey his banana. Please. Come on. Come on. Monkey's hungry. Monkey's starving. Bring the monkey his banana. Bigger banana? Question mark? Nah. Nah, big one's hurt. Let's go small. Send another one as diabolical? Listen, dude. They're going to send one anyway. They're going to send one anyway. I might as well try to benefit off it. You know? You're not going to go break even. You're going to take this shit. I will go break even at this hourly rebalance. Not before. I will take a stop loss if we don't. If we just go straight up from here, I will take a stop loss. On God. On good. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, man. The end dog is a brick wall right now. This is correct. Do we have a 5-minute left behind as well? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Hit the likes, guys. Might have a giveaway incoming. We'll do the giveaway as soon as this trade is over. Win, lose, or draw. What are the odds we just chop here until like 11:50? Oh, it contains nuts. You got a limit on the 5-minute? Did you just get picked up or no? My target would have hit already if I was on ES. I know, but I would have had like my entry to have been like ass. And I probably would have had to have entered like, I don't even know. Like I actually don't even know. Like a long time ago. A while ago. Nuts, that didn't pick you up? Didn't it hit it? Oh, maybe not. You might still get it. You should be seeing the down movement now. 5 minutes tops. All right. I'll set a timer in my head, Cooner. 5 minutes. Yeah, we did get 50% there. I don't know if we see it here or not. You keep saying check US 30. I checked it, bro. I know. I see it. It's dying. Yes, US 30 is actually dying. Yes. US 30 is what we would call free falling. US 30 is free falling and free balling right now. In from the 5-minute FEG. We're basically back at my entry. US 30 is YM. Dow Jones. Yeah, ES took low of day. That was when we got here, and I was like, should I go break even, or should I just let it ride? Oh, decided to let it ride. Might take a stop because of it. If so, I guess I'll just kill myself, but, you know, and then we'll be back tomorrow. It makes sense if you don't think about it. Blame it on Cooner if I lose. That's fine with me. Just don't blame it on me. Whatever you guys do, just don't blame me. So same old, exactly, Rao. Ain't nothing changed but the day. Loving this reaction, though. Nobody jinx it. Wickless 1 minute candle. Yes, Andrew, yes. We're not out of it yet, though, Andrew. This could still ruin our day. He goes, I didn't say to take it, LOL. Well, Cooner, he did say expect the drop in about 5 minutes. As of right now, it's been about 3 minutes, I think, 4 minutes. So he's like, you got to give him, you got to say he kind of called that one. But yes, Cooner and Midnight. Midnight, I think you were telling me to add to the last short. Good thing I didn't do that. But then Cooner was also saying the last one was going to work too. I thought it was going to be all right. Man, it is what it is. Gonna be going break even here soon, guys, when we get through this low towards this hourly rebalance. I like my entry good enough to go break even. Come on. Monkey needs his banana. Let's go. Acceleration. $46 right there. There's the immediate rebalance on the hourly, by the way, chat. So, moment of truth here. Five-minute OB just got tagged, the opening price. Everyone not doing the monkey on the chart does not want us to win. Facts, tradings, BE. Everybody put a monkey and a banana on their chart ASAP. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started, boys. Just curious to see. What's RR? Like right here. Damn, this is over 3R here. Shit. Yeah, I'm back green technically if I closed it, but I'm not going to close it. We're going to hit TP or break even. The 1006 FVG, is that this one right here? Yeah. I know we've been holding it, so we're due for a break, right? Question mark. TP's gonna hit at 1144. 1138 right now. 44. Let's see. I dropped a line at 44 for you, trading SPE. We'll see. Honestly, bro, if it hits it at 44, I'll give you a couple entries, extra entries into the giveaways for tomorrow, all right? My target is this, well, I'm going like a premium short back toward a discounted range, but I'm really looking for like this I'm looking for like this unfilled like 15-minute and equal. It's kind of hard to see. I got all this shit on my chart. But anyway, equal lows right here. 15-minute unfilled right there. 30-minute unfilled. Like, it's pretty much what we're looking for. Premium to discount rotation. So that is what I am looking for. Just generated more lows here. This gap currently has like retard strength. I'm break even though, guys. We got the hourly rebalance. So I mean, whatever happens, happens. Might be break even, which would be kind of sad, but I mean, whatever. Negative down. But yeah, what's the likes at? We at 150 yet? How are we not at 150 likes yet? That's crazy. Z Trade saying 1151. Yeah, that, see, now getting into that macro, now we're talking Z Trades. Now we're talking though, but 44, you're looking at the new 15-minute candle about to open up. So I could see us like being back towards these lows. Hopefully. Market doesn't want me to aura farm. It never wants me to either. Yeah, if I ever try to predict something with that level of precision, I usually also... It's fucking hard to do. Hard to do. I'm currently trading with TRADEIFY and LUCID, but all of the props that I am partnered with and support and promote are above my head on the stream here. TRADEIFY, LUCID, Apex, My Funded Futures, TPT, FundedNext. All right, tradings BE, you would have to get, you're going to have to get some displacement here if you're going to have a chance. I think your TP is within the range, today's range. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really not asking for a lot, to be honest. It's not like I'm asking for the external low. Aeromech. Thank you. Welcome. All right, 44. Tradings BE needs a God candle to the doubt. He needs a Diddy and Drake candle combined for the extra giveaway entries here. New 15-minute will open up, though, after this candle. Yeah, Z-Trades kind of took the method. He gave a macro time. $99 L taken today. Yeah, I took one L on the shorts already. This is a second attempt. Currently playing out, so let's see if we can get delivery. Mates, like we take out these lows here. I may begin to trail like we just took that out, so I may trail to this high. To be honest. We are one good dump away here. New 15 just opened up, opening higher right now. The 15-minute rebalance would be at like 565 if this 15-minute wants to wick up. If it wicks too much, I'll be out in profit. I think I'll still be a little red on the day if that happens. Moment of truth, chat. Holy fuck. Suck my fat ass, man. Sorry. Holy shit. Low-hanging fruit, chat. All right, I'm out there. Wow, bro. Fuck you. That was rude. All right, I'm down $47 now on the day, so Monkey didn't want his banana, I guess. Holy impulse. Well, 40, what time is it? 47? We're not even in the macro yet. Fuck. Told me. You told me what? Yes, they would, Cooner. They would copyright my channel. It literally like it'll like actually block the stream from being played in like certain countries. And we'll demonetize it, yeah. And then I'll get, if I do it too often, I'll get a strike, yeah. TP too ambitious? I mean, it's easy to say that in hindsight, but I don't think it was that ambitious. I trailed it though. I got something for it. I mean, kind of be frustrating if it just like rejects here, but like my thought process is like on the 5 minute, like all of this is like rebalanced and efficient. So, you know, I'm just trying to get us to go from PD array to PD array, and we have some reason, I would say, to like come fill in some of this 30 minute and even an hourly that was left, but yeah, all good. All good. I'm just glad I didn't, you know, I'm glad I got something better than obviously getting a full break even here. So tis what it is, man. Tis what it is. 4 likes short of a giveaway, chat. 4 likes short, by the way. You're not the only one read today. If I would have broke my rules, I could have closed it for, I'd be up, I don't know, a couple $100 or something, but can't be doing that. We're not here to trade our P&L, chat, right? Unless we're 40 bucks away from an account. Then always. Should have displaced through the low at 1145. Wanted EQ. Yeah, we'll see. We came up now. We've like retested this OB, filled this gap in. Let's do a giveaway in the Discord, guys. If you guys are not in the Discord, hop in the Discord, guys. Exclamation point Discord in the chat, and then we will. Where's my thing? Here we go. And then we'll do a TRADEIFY 50K growth account giveaway here, quick. Oops. But yeah, man. Obviously, the trade of the day was that freaking buy right at pretty much market open, so. Can't be too mad, like, knowing that we're going to get, like, choppier condition, like, after the objective was taken like that, so. Yeah, just try not to get rage baited, boys. Don't do anything silly. All right, if you guys want to be in the giveaway, do you get 7 giveaway entries midnight? Yes, you do get 7 giveaway entries midnight if you can snipe like proof of the code use and then drop a ticket. Absolutely, midnight. Absolutely, it'd be my pleasure. It'd be my pleasure. All right, if you guys want to be in the giveaway, guys, hit the horn icon here in the giveaway tab. Holy fuck. So I would have got tagged out. Hey, I would have got tagged out BE, by the way. But wow, bruh. If this tanks from here, that is just dirty. ES pulled up for a 15-minute FEG, by the way. Oh, the temptation to want to short this 1 minute CISD now, but probably shouldn't do it. In the macro too. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. ES hit a 15-minute, 1 minute change back lower here. I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to watch it, but that would be something else. That would be something else. You don't have a Discord. So you're not, Midnight, you're not even in this? What do you mean you don't have a Discord, bro? Make a Discord. What are you waiting for? Just make one. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. The only people that can't win, I forget who won the giveaways last week already, but Dom, he's on cooldown for a week. I don't even remember, honestly, the other one. I don't remember the other ones, to be honest. All right, the winner is Boy. Congrats, Boy. Alvarado. Oh, Boy Alvarado. What's up, man? I think this is the first time winning for you, I think. Congrats, Alvarado. Alvarado, open up a ticket over here. Submit a ticket, and then I'll get you your TRADEIFY. This is so fucked, bro. Oh. Why, Yeah, Midnight. First time Alvarado. I thought so, man. You're not banned in you're not banned from using TRADEIFY, right? Just to confirm. Let me know what country you're in if you want me to look it up. But yeah, Midnight. Make a Discord, bro. Make one, but won't have enough time for this one. Yeah. But yeah, so for those of you guys that want extra entries in the giveaway, like we'll do a giveaway tomorrow. I'll probably do like a bigger one with Duck Race and all that. All the people that submit like proof of using code Tyler throughout the week, and all you got to do is just submit a ticket. And like if you use code Tyler on any of my partnered firms, and can show that you use my code, I will give you extra entries for every time you use it in the giveaways, just as a way to like support and give back to the people that support, you know, the channel, the stream, using my code, etc. It's still fair for everybody to participate in the giveaways nonetheless, but want to be able to support the people that are supporting me and the stream either way. So just a heads up on that. So yeah, Midnight, if you do make a Discord, hop in there and submit that. I'll give you those 7 extra entries, I think you said. For sure, for sure. But dang, dude. Oh my God. Bro, this was like literally a 99% retrace. That is so tough. Like what? Come on. It's like you're literally never safe going break even on the NASDAQ. Does anybody else feel that way? Like you're literally never safe. It can do whatever you think it won't do. It can absolutely do it, and it'll do it so fast your head will spin. And then it will continue. It's just crazy. Crazy, crazy. But yeah. Not to beat a dead horse, but obviously the easy low resistant run was this morning, so I won't complain too much, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I just, when NQ does this type of thing, it just irritates me. It irritates me. It rage baits me, boys. But yeah, this was clean too. Back to a new low. All right, man. All right, I'm going to call it there. I did take one loss today. This trade did get trailed out in profit, unfortunately. It was just enough to be slightly still red on the day, but 47 bucks, I mean, whatever. Basically a break-even day. Just got a doubt. What's with the 5-minute trading days? Yes. 5 minimum days. Yes. That is correct. That's kind of the one bad thing, but there's no cap in the sim funded, which is nice. Break even NQ doesn't work. But yeah, TPT has the intraday trailing as well. I'm not trading any TPTs at the moment. But will be probably very soon here. A lot of people love it. A lot of people really like TPT. But it just depends about the intraday trailing. Some people don't mind the intraday trailing. I don't know. It's definitely another obstacle, but if you can manage it, it's good. All right, man. Yeah, appreciate you guys. This is where we will have to part ways, I would say. And I will be live tomorrow morning for NFP, obviously. And, well, I'll keep you guys updated if I take anything else today. I'm honestly not anticipating taking anything else today. Because I kind of just feel like if you didn't catch something in here today, it's just, I don't know if conditions will get much better, if that makes sense. But if you guys are still trading the rest of the day, good luck. Don't be a ding-dong. Don't be blowing your stuff to smithereens. But if you do, you know, just consider using code Tyler. That's all I'm going to say. Just consider it. Just consider it. And we'll be back live tomorrow, guys, 9:15 a.m. Eastern to trade post NFP data. All right, guys. Enjoy your guys' Thursday. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, man. Peace and love, chat.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. John's on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.